This exercise is called the Banded Ankle Dorsiflexion movement, and it's a great exercise that helps encourage range of motion of the ankle while applying a little added resistance to help encourage that movement. So what we're going to want to do to start is going to have some type of resistance band that's anchored off to something low and stable. And the resistance band, we're going to want to have some type of loop that we can slip our ankle through. So the movement will look something like this. I'm going to slip my foot through here. Keep the band nice and wide, just above my ankle here, right where it bends. I'm going to have my foot on top of here. And I'm essentially just going to drive my knee forward as much as my foot will allow with this band pulling my ankle backwards. And we can just do some maintained stretch here. Press, hold for about a second or so. And we're going to back off and press and hold for about a second or so. Good, and back off. And so I like doing these something about sets of 10 or so to help improve that ankle range of motion here. Again, that movement's called the Banded Ankle Dorsiflexion. Stay tuned for some more exercises.